This is a compressed backup created by Nero BackItUp. You cannot unzip it with WinZip. You must use the Nero utility to restore the original files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's run the Restore tool. We're tackling this NCO file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. The NCO extension falls under the backup file category. The file operates using the encoding model of Nero BackItUp File. The NCO file type is highly specific, often referring to a Nero Compilation file or a network configuration object file. It stores settings for burning a CD/DVD or proprietary network parameters. The file creator is application-specific, e.g. Nero AG, various network tools. The file is a proprietary binary or structured text file defining system or media properties. This proprietary format is best opened by Nero BackItUp from Nero AG for the NCO type. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows doesn't open backup repositories directly, so appropriate backup software must be used. Open the menu by right-clicking your NCO file and choosing Open with. Try Nero BackItUp first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. When your NCO file does not open, it is usually a small issue. Errors with the NCO format usually come down to a small critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, use Nero Software. Open the file using Nero CoverDesigner, part of the Nero suite, as this is the required application for the disk label design. Next, check version. If the file fails to open, ensure your Nero suite is updated to the latest version, as the document format may change between versions. Finally, use Print Export. If the program fails, print the design to a standard image file, e.g. JPEG or TIFF, to save the content. With quick compatibility checks behind us, we now know the file is non-standard. The right move is to deploy a final specialized fix that's built to try and open NCO files like this. Stop wasting time on other tools. I recommend FileMagick, the universal viewer that works on the NCO format. Go to filemagick.com to download now. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel. Signing off for now.